Just another face in the crowd. Just another fish in the ocean. Average. How does this make you feel? Now, I don't know about you, but I despise them. Because when my time comes and I depart from this world, I don't want people to remember me as just a nice guy. I want to leave a legacy. This is what I dedicate my life to. And along my journey through the realms of medicine, the art of singing, the vast world of producing content, the sculpting of a physique, I've unearthed invaluable gems that I want to share with you today. Now please, allow me to share them with you. You do what everyone does, but you expect to be unique. Think of your classmates, colleagues, or teammates, and ask yourself, are you currently doing something that most of them are not? If you invest exactly the same amount of time practicing, playing, work the same manner as everyone else, then how do you expect yourself to be unique? And what you will find, and this is not coincidental at all of those who are outperforming their peers are doing something that none of them are doing. Observe a person in your workplace who has a higher position than you, the classmate who exceeds over you academically, or the athlete who continuously outshines the team. And what you will find is these people chart an unconventional path. For example, they might stay at work 5 hours after they finish their shift. You might find a footballer who stays after practice to work on his shooting. And with this point, I really stress this out. Try to not follow the herd. Don't follow the herd. Look around you, think outside the box. Now you might say, why would I do that? Well, I tell you because it's unique. Try it, see what happens. It's these small things that make you unconventional and unique and therefore exceptional. The second point I want to talk about is you don't read. When was the last time you read a book? A year ago? 5 years ago? High school? Reading books, in my opinion, is so underrated in our day and age that nobody does it. It's a skill that is liquid gold because writers, scientists, doctors, professors, anything you can think of in the respected field, take years worth of experience and knowledge, filter it to give you the best of best advice. It takes years for you to have a book that's 300 pages of filtered gold. Imagine if you read 50 different books on 50 different fields that you like, not just any random topics, and see for yourself how your knowledge changes, how you adapt, how you mature. There's thousands of videos on YouTube that, oh, this happened after what, I read so many books. And they find that their brain is changed because they think in a different way because books are amazing. And think of it this way. Most of the information that we take nowadays is from social media and from school or university. And having that external medium of reading will really set you apart. And you'll have a new stream of knowledge that I guarantee you the majority of people don't do. Try reading a few books and see for yourself how much it changes your mind. On to the third point, we are all scared of judgment. I said we this time because I'm working on this myself. Of course, to a certain extent, we all care about what people think of us because we don't live in a bubble, we live in a community and a society. However, and put 4 lines under however. If you really care about a stranger's opinion, someone who doesn't know your name, and you're completely concerned with what they think, then you lack confidence. And I struggle with this, I still do. When I hold my camera out and I record, I think of people seeing me as arrogant or people seeing me as someone who thinks so highly of themselves, but I'm not. I'm just trying to, produce content that can help people and can benefit people. Now let me give you an example. Imagine if I'm holding the camera, recording, and speaking about the benefits of donating blood. A guy across the street sees me, he doesn't know what I'm talking about, and he says, oh, this guy is so arrogant, this guy is so full of himself. Should that, in your opinion, bother me? Why? Because they don't know my intention, they don't know that I'm recording this video for a good purpose. And this is the dangers of judgment. You let people have their opinions of you, and it's completely inaccurate, it doesn't represent who you are, and you are scared of it. But why should it bother you if you know what your intentions are? Really ask yourself why you feel these feelings. Is it from childhood experiences? Being bullied perhaps? Is it from societal pressures? You want to be you want to be some celebrity, or you want to be perfect. But don't let other people, complete strangers, dictate what you do because you're scared of them. Stop trying to mix in the crowd so you don't hurt people's feelings. I will tell you this, you will always hurt someone's feelings, whatever you do. If you stay at home, if you go out, if you eat, if you don't eat, if you drink water, if you don't drink water, whatever you do, you will hurt someone's feelings. Now that's a fact. However, if it's your friends or family, people who love you, who care about you, and they know your intention, and they give you advice, darling, please don't do that, or don't do this is not good for you. You take it, and you shouldn't just ignore it because you fear of judgment, because I don't want people to judge me. No, you also listen to the people you love, and that's the fine line. Don't spend so much time worrying about what people think. If you have pure intentions deep inside your heart, and you know it's good for you, then do it. Okay? Finally, on to the fourth point, you are not pursuing what you love. You will always remain average if you don't do what you love. Everyone in this world is created with a unique set of attributes, of characteristics. And if you don't tailor your work, whatever you love, to this, then you will not be exceptional. Take your set of attributes and see work that aligns with it. For example, if you're shy but very intelligent, maybe a scientist working under a lab works for you. I don't know. Try things out. For example, for me, I'm someone who loves talking to people, helping people out, but also hates sitting at a desk and just wants to keep staying on the go, do this, do that, lose the sense of time. And I would work perfectly for that. That is why I chose medicine. So if you don't know what you love, your personality will give you a hint. And that's a wrap. Really hope that you take something from the video. And as always, Assalamu alaikum.